This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating your ASB, NET project, and choosing whether you want client-side control. Add a www root or content folder now and include layout files. Once done, decide. Use CDN for speed or local files for offline builds. Make sure to add a layout. CSHTML or shared layout and reference styles and scripts blocks. This first step gets your structure right so Bootstrap integrates cleanly with Razor pages or MVC views. You now add Bootstrap assets to your layout. If using libman or npm, fetch Bootstrap and place CSS in www root/CSS and JS in www root/JS. Otherwise, paste CDN links into layout. CSHTML. Once done, link Bootstrap. Min. CSS inside the head and put Bootstrap. Bundle. Min. JS just before the closing body tag so components initialize properly. Make sure popper is included via the bundle for v4+ behavior. This ensures Razor renders pages. You finish by converting your view markup to Bootstrap patterns. Wrap content with container, use row and call classes, and apply navbars or cards as needed. Once done, test responsiveness and interactive components across devices. Make sure script order is correct and that layout. CSHTML is used throughout. If something breaks, check the browser console, confirm file paths, and clear caches. One key troubleshooting tip. A missing or misordered script often prevents drop-downs and modals from working, so verify inclusion order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.